Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to access BIOS menu on your Dell XPS 13 laptop. So just press the power button on top right corner here and keep on pressing F2. And this will take you to the BIOS menu. So if you wanna change any settings here, you can use the arrow key or you can use the touchpad. If you wanna change the boot sequence, you can change it here, or make the boot option from legacy to UEFI. You can just tick it and turn on the secure boot. Just enable it and then UEFI setting will be changed. And then once you change the settings, just keep apply and press on exit. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.